If your skin is feeling dry, tight, or in need of some deep nourishment, you are going to love this rich, creamy balm. Today, I will show you how to make a beautiful handmade face and body cream, perfect for dry, mature, or sensitive skin. This cream is especially great for those with dry or irritated skin. It's also ideal if your skin needs a little extra care during colder months, after sun exposure, or whenever you want a rich soothing treatment. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, yet powerful in its nourishment. What makes this cream so special? It's full of skin-loving ingredients. Shea butter and beef tallow provide deep hydration and create a natural barrier to protect your skin. Safflower oil is rich in linoleic acid, helping to restore the skin's natural balance. Glycerin offers a long-lasting moisture. And the essential oils lavender and rosewood not only smell divine, but bring calming and regenerative properties to the cream. To make the cream, let's start with the water phase. Measure out 115 grams of distilled water into a clean jar. In a second jar, weigh out 6 grams of emulsifier, 4 grams of cetyl alcohol, 15 grams of shea butter, 10 grams of beef tallow, and 31 grams of safflower oil. Place both jars in a water bath and gently heat until all the fats are fully melted. Once everything is melted, begin mixing the oil phase and slowly add the hot water in small portions. Mix continuously to form an emulsion. Now add 15 grams of glycerin and about 1 gram of xanthan gum. Mix well to fully combine all the ingredients. Once the cream has cooled down to below 40 degrees Celsius, it's time to add essential oils. I used 10 drops of lavender essential oil and 10 drops of rosewood essential oil. Stir them in, then finish with about 30 drops of preservative. Mix everything again. At this stage, the cream will still be a bit liquid. That's completely normal. Just place the jar in the fridge for about 30 minutes and you will see it set into a beautiful creamy texture. This recipe makes 200 grams of cream, which I divided into a few smaller jars. But if you don't need that much, you can easily cut the ingredients in half to make a 100-gram batch. The final texture is very creamy and smooth. It glides effortlessly onto the skin, absorbs well, and leaves a soft protective layer that feels rich but not greasy. Store the cream in a clean jar away from heat and sunlight. At room temperature, it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. And that's it, a nourishing homemade cream your skin will absolutely love. If you try this recipe, let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural skincare recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye!